Thanks for joining us. I'd just like to start off by asking you to introduce yourself and just kind of sharing about when you started working on the Apache CloudStack project.
Hi Jamie. So myself Harikrishna, Patnala. You might have seen me already on community. I work for ShapeBlue for almost 4.5 years. I can directly say I work for Apache CloudStack because that's what we do in ShapeBlue. Even before, from the beginning of my career, I'm into Apache CloudStack only, but via multiple companies. But my main goal is to work in the Apache CloudStack only, because the way people work there, I liked it because people are pretty friendly, the community is pretty active. So that's about my work. Yeah.
So you've been committing to the Apache CloudStack project for a number of years now. And when did you actually become a PMC member for the project?
Okay, before that I got the commentatorship after I have started working around 3 to 4 years, I guess. But PMC membership I got it recently. That's what glad to have that. Yeah, I'm still in learning stage, looking at the other PMC members, how they are working there, like with respect to whatever the aspect is, handling the security issues, marketing, or handling the infrastructure, everything. Good to see all of the PMC members over there. Yeah.
And can you share your thoughts about how the project has developed over the last 1 to 2 years?
Okay, with respect to my work, maybe I'll put it that way. What I am doing is, previously I used to work on multiple features that adds on value to the cloud stack, but these days I am working on the integrations to the cloud stack, like whether it could be Terraform, or recently I have added a feature called user data as a first class resource, which actually opens gates to multiple integrations. Like it can be any application can make it work with cloud stack. So what I'm trying to say is, I'm for last 1 to 2 years I'm seeing a lot of integrations around cloud stack. As I said, Terraform, Capsi, K8s, and other tools like our more work on even CloudMonkey as well. Yes.
We see a lot of people, a lot more people contributing to the project as time passes. And as a result of that, how do you think the project is going to continue to develop over the next 2-3+ years?
I would say that that's a healthy community, having a couple of constant people all over these years, and few people are coming and going away, because we are getting all aspects of different people, and we can improve as in the future also, right? That's what even I saw in the last couple of years, not just couple of years, from the beginning. Whomsoever comes in and they give their input, and that's how we improve in the cloud stack, Apache Cloud Stack, getting those inputs and taking to the, what do I say, implementation. Yes.
And then, even though there are more people getting involved in the community, how can we encourage people who have an interest into Apache CloudStack to, contribute to the community if they're brand new and aren't sure exactly how to get involved?
Over these years, what I saw is most of the people are reaching out to the community via mailing lists. Whatever they wanted to ask, they'll just put it on the user mailing list. We have so many people in the community who just replies and help them on those mailing lists itself. These days, many discussions happening on even GitHub also, because we have enabled the discussions forum on GitHub. So that's the other way. People are still migrating, but most of the things are happening through mailing lists only.
Thanks so much for the chat, Harry.
Thank you, Jamie.